Hello children, welcome back to the mathematics class again. So today in this video we are going to see how to construct angles with a protractor. So first of all, let me show you what is a protractor. A protractor is a geometrical instrument in your geometry box with two kinds of scale in it. One is the outer scale with 0, 10, 20, 30 from left hand side to the right hand side, and the inner scale from 0, 10, 20, 30 from right to left. Okay. So let us see how to draw the angles. First of all, for drawing an angle, we need a ray, because an angle, you know very well, an angle is a figure with two rays and one common endpoint. So let me draw a ray of any measure, because ray don't have a fixed length. So I am drawing a ray and naming at, this is the end point and this is the open point of the ray, and I am naming this ray as point A and point B. You can name according to yourself as well. Then afterwards, the second step is you need to place the center of the protractor. The center of the protractor, this is the center of the protractor. The center of the protractor on the end point, this one, this is the end point. So here I am placing the center of the protractor, and then we need to see which scale. Now you must be thinking which scale we are going to use, the inner scale or the outer scale. So children, let me clear you very clearly to tell you one thing, that the direction of the ray decides the scale as well. Suppose the direction of the ray is towards the right hand side, so we will start from the inner scale, because right hand side scale, the inner scale has the 0. So we are going to start from the inner scale. So basically keep in mind where the direction of the ray is, that side 0 we are going to consider. Okay, so as we are drawing the angle of 60 degrees, so let me count 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So here is 60. So we need to mark a point here, and then we will lift up this scale, this protractor, and then we can use this as well, or we can use a scale also to draw another ray. Keep in mind that please, the correct way of making a ray is keep this tip at this end point and adjust the ruler or scale accordingly. Similarly, keep on this point and then adjust it, and then we need to draw another ray like this, and I'm gonna name this as C. So now angle CAB is 60 degree. So we can say angle CAB equals to 60 degree, or what else we can name it? We can name it as angle BAC 60 degree, or we can name with the name of the vertex as well only. So angle A is equal to 60 degree. So these are the three ways how to name this angle. I hope children you have understood that how to draw the angle using a protractor. Let me take one more example. In this I'm gonna use the outer scale, this side. So let me tell you how to draw this. For this again I need to draw a ray of any length, and now I am taking the end point at the right hand side, and this is the open point. I am naming it as P and this is as O. Okay children, now when I am going to place the protractor over this, so which side I am going to place? This side, left side or right side? Yes, at the right hand side, because right hand side we have the end point, and we are going to place the center of this like this, and it should be on this. And as I told you earlier, the direction of the ray decides at which scale we are going to use. So as we can see, the direction is towards the left, so we are going to use this 0, that means the outer scale we are going to use. And now I am making the angle of 110 degrees. So for this I'm counting from here. Count with me: 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and 110. and then I am going to mark the point here. Again the same procedure, I'll lift up the protector, I'll use the scale and join these 2 points. So this point I'm naming as Q. So I'm joining O and Q. How? Again the same procedure. I'll put the end of the pencil, tip of the pencil on this point and then adjust the scale. Similarly, I'll place the tip of the pencil on point Q and then adjust the scale. And now I'm going to join these 2 points like this. So now this is the angle which is of 110 degrees. So what will be the names, children? The name can be angle POQ is equals to 110 degree, or angle QOP is equals to 110 degree, or simply angle O equals to 110 degrees. So keep in mind, children, while we are writing in the long, because these two are the long way of writing the names, this is the shortcut. Similarly, these are the long ways and this is the shortcut. So whenever we are writing the names in the long way, we need to start from the open point. We can't, and keep in mind the vertex should be always in the center. So here is the vertex is 0, so 0 is O is in the center. Similarly here I have the vertex A, so A is in the center always. Okay, so this is how we are going to draw the angles or construct the angles with a protector. So I hope children you have understood. Now do the given assignment. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Stay safe, stay healthy.